Hi everyone, it's Miss Jamie, and I wanted to share a story with you this week about one of my favorite kind of insects, which is a little weird, but bumblebees. And I like bumblebees because I love honey. One of my favorite things to drink in the morning is hot tea, and I like to put honey in my tea. We wouldn't have honey if we didn't have bumblebees. So bumblebees are one of my favorite kinds of insects. So let's go ahead and get started. If you have your picture exchange book, your language mat, or communication device handy, you can go ahead and grab that while we read our story. So let's get started. Our story is called Busy Bumblebees. Bumblebees are fuzzy, flying insects. They are related to ants, wasps, and other bees like honeybees. So let's see, can you find this bee? There he is, and it is flying. So earlier, I was telling you why I really like bumblebees. And when we talk about our reason for liking something, we are giving our why. And our core word for this week is why. So when I told you why I like bumblebees, because I like honey, that was my answer for my why. All right, so let's see what else we can learn about bumblebees. Bumblebees live in colonies. Each group has one queen, a few drones, and many workers. That's a big family. Wow. Look. Oh, there we go. Look at all of the bees. They are busy working. The queen is the largest bee in the colony and the mother to all of the workers and drones. So the queen bee, she is different than the other bees. She is bigger and she is the mom to all of the other bees who are working. Workers are girl bees and drones are boy bees. I did not know that. So now we know workers are the girl bees, drones are the boy bees. The workers find food and help the queen care for her young. So the worker bees, which are the girls, they go and get the food and they help the queen. The colony lives in an underground nest. That is where eggs are laid. Young bees are cared for and food is stored. So their home, where they live, is in the ground. Bumblebees are important because they are pollinators. Pollinators help plants make fruit and seeds by carrying pollen from one plant to another. So let's see if we can find that pollen. Pollen is this yellow dust that you see on the bee, and he gets it from the flower. So the pollen that we see, it's on the bee. That's where it is. And the bee gets it when he goes to each of the flowers. All right, so that's what pollen is, and that's what the bees do with it. All right, let's turn our page. Without pollinators, we would not have many foods like fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetables. We wouldn't even have ice cream, which is crazy. I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I bet the answer might be yes. Unfortunately, there are fewer and fewer bumblebees in the world. Some are even endangered, like the rusty-patched bumblebee. So right now, there's not a lot of bumblebees. Where they live, it's made it difficult for them to survive. So there's not as many bumblebees as there used to be. Next time you see a bumblebee on a flower, watch how busy it is, flying from plant to plant. Be grateful to these special insects for all the fruits and vegetables we have to eat. So again, the bees help because without them, we wouldn't have a lot of the yummy foods that we like to eat. The end. Well, I hope you all enjoy the story, and let's see who can find a bumblebee this week outside. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye.